point of a contrapuntal tradition that began in the Middle Ages. Bach embraced and perfected every contrapuntal form of his day. His fugues remain the cornerstone of his genius. If you consider individual movements of a work as independent pieces, you can safely say that he composed thousands of works in his lifetime, in an age when music was written with quill pens on scratchy paper, and often into the wee hours by candlelight. His life and career unfolded in a localized way. One might even call it provincial. Yet despite the fact that he never left his native Germany to travel abroad, he was keenly aware of the international currents of his day. He placed the German chorale at the center of many of his works. He assimilated the developments in French keyboard music with respect to ornamentation and the implementation of dance rhythms. His English suites, French suites, and partitas are just a few examples of his mastery of the Baroque dance suite. While he never visited Italy, Bach kept abreast of the leading developments in instrumental writing by his Italian counterparts, especially with regards to the concerto. For example, we know that Bach studied carefully many of the concertos of Vivaldi, going so far as to transcribe or rework many of them using new orchestrations and keys. Finally, Bach saw himself less as an artist and more as a skilled craftsman. He was a devout Lutheran. In that light, he composed his music as a direct expression of his faith. I invite you to explore further the music of Bach. Listen to his remarkable Concerto for 4 harpsichords. You may want to listen to Vivaldi's original version, the Concerto for 4 violins. How similar do they seem to you? And consider which version you like better, and why. I often wonder what kind of teacher Bach was. Was he patient with his students, or a hard taskmaster? Perhaps a clue can be found in the composer's own words, and I quote, "It's easy to play any musical instrument. All you have to do is touch the right key at the right time, and the instrument will play itself." Now that's what I call the power of positive thinking.